Honda just dropped the ultimate comeback kid, the all-new HRC Prelude. After years of waiting, the legendary Prelude is back, and this HRC concept version is pure fire. If you love sharp coupes that actually drive as they look, buckle up. The HRC Prelude takes the sleek, modern Prelude hybrid and turns it into a track-ready beast. Wide fender flares, aggressive carbon fiber front spoiler, massive side skirts, a huge rear diffuser, and that towering rear wing screaming for apexes. Boost blue pearl paint pops like crazy, HRC badges everywhere, and those low-profile performance tires wrapped around lightweight alloys. It's low, wide, and looks ready to devour every corner on the mountain pass. This isn't just a revival, it's an evolution with pure Honda sports DNA. Under the hood, a punchy 200 horsepower two-motor hybrid system, delivering instant torque and smooth power. Paired with a Type R-inspired chassis, adaptive drive modes, and HRC-tuned suspension, this thing promises razor-sharp handling and confidence-inspiring grip. The HRC Prelude concept shows exactly where Honda is headed, blending hybrid efficiency with real driver joy and racing-bred upgrades you'll actually be able to buy as HRC performance parts. This is the spiritual successor to every legend that came before it. If you think this concept is absolute perfection, smash that like button, share this video with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe for more of the latest automotive reveals.